Twist tester is a precision instrument used to determine the number of twists per unit length in double and multiple yarns. It's essential in the textile industry to ensure that yarns meet the required mechanical and structural properties for various applications. Twisting yarn affects its strength, elasticity, appearance, and overall fabric performance. This tester is suitable for both S-twist and Z-twist measurements, using methods such as the untwisted twist or direct counting technique. It's widely used in quality control, R&D labs, and production settings. Standards for twist tester. For more details on testing procedures or equipment recommendations, contact us anytime.